dampers. Fluvial dampers? No! That's not it. Bring me the hydrosphere.
Alright, bag 10 is done. Do you see what I did? No, of course you don't, because it's all underneath. So let's try to see if we can swing in here. See if I can get a shot underneath here. I'm losing the ability to pick it up because I've covered up the part of the frame I was using. So you can see we've done these that cover the bottom of this part of the Falcon. And then, let's see if I can find it on the camera here. And then we've done the bottom quad laser cannon and the whole circular thing that surrounds it with the window on the bottom here. When I'm done with this, hopefully we'll be able to pick it up and you can see it better. But right now, that's not really a thing. You can kind of see where the bottom quad laser hooks in. So you got some technique pins holding it onto the frame. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can sort of see down there. This is the frame, like the circular frame surrounding the window and the cannons. And straight through the bottom here, you can sort of see the window. I guess you would, maybe if I had a flashlight in there, you could see there's the window all the way on the bottom. But that's it. So on to bag 11, which I believe is going to cover the tops of these now.